It's December, so we're going to make a little Christmas cards for your readers. Go to the Canva homepage, create a document. We're going to choose an Instagram post. We are looking for something that isn't a video post. It has separate pages so that you can use transitions and things. This is Canva Tips for Authors, where we help authors use Canva for their book marketing. If you're an author and would like to talk to other authors, come and join the Facebook group. The link is in the description. If you sign up for my newsletter, you can get some free templates where you just drag and drop your book cover in and you can hit the ground running with your book promotion. So page 1, let's get set up. So I'm going to got a row of houses. At the bottom here. And then this is going to be our canvas. It's going to be our sky. So let's make it a nice sort of dark blue. Yeah, that looks like dusk, doesn't it? Now the next bit, we can duplicate it. And we are going to add a rectangle. We're going to turn this to black. And make this nice and dark. Position this to the back. And we are going to animate it so that it fades in. On enter. And because I have Canva Pro, I'm going to make it fade in as slowly as it can. There we go. So it slowly gets dark. If you don't have Canva Pro, you're stuck with the speed that it comes up with to start with. If you want to try Canva Pro for free for 30 days, there is a link in the description. Right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to put something behind here to make these houses light up. Now this is a little bit fiddly, so what we're going to do is we're going to get a rectangle again, make it a nice bright yellow. Right, and what we're going to do is we are going to keeps trying to put text inside it. We're going to go put these boxes behind the houses. Duplicate. So on top of each of the houses, I'm basically putting the color of the lit windows. There's a little window there. Okay, so this. Right, so we pick this black silhouettes of the houses, go to position, to the front. There we go. Our windows are now lit up. There's a few which need fixing, so okay. So we'll send that to the back again and fiddle with it. Okay, now we go to the layers panel again and drag. Oh, layers panel, show layers, find the houses, drag them to the front. Okay, And the other thing we could do, show layers, is grab all of these. Are there any more? If you hit Shift and select them, you can grab them all and group them. And then you can select the group and animate the group to fade in. A little bit faster than the sunset. Okay, so there we have the sun setting. And what else do we need? Let's get some text. Merry Christmas. Now we need to make it big enough that you can read it, but not so big that it doesn't fit or all fit in one line. Okay. And what font shall we use? Oh, that's a nice font. Let's take that one, Alex Brush. There we go. And let's make it the same yellow as there we go. Merry Christmas to all my readers. Right. And let's animate this. And so this is going to do, what are we going to do? Wipe. On enter, and this as well, wipe. On enter. And then maybe we'll have another text box. Hit T on your keyboard. Put a big X. Big kiss for my readers. Right. And again. There. And that one can come at the end. Animate. Okay. Now then, can we do element timing? Show element timing. Okay. Give it a few seconds for the lights to go down. So that was 4 seconds. So we need to, and then that is only there for about 2 seconds. Okay, so let's delete that spare one. This needs to be shorter, so let's make this 2 seconds. Right. Okay, what happened there? Layers, show layers, this layer, animate, fade, or just on enter. There we go. And then if you wanted, you could have some stars come out. Like graphics, see all, and we want animation, yes. There we go. And position almost to the back in front of there. And we want it to only come out somewhere about halfway there. Right. That's a pretty cute little Christmas card. So this is what it looks like. If you found this useful, please tell all your friends, and I'll see you in the next video.